This video is intended for enterprise IT executives and developers that want to understand the reliability, high availability, and security capabilities of the ServiceNow platform. The ServiceNow platform is designed to meet all your requirements for building, delivering, and managing modern applications as IT services, even in highly regulated environments. However, you may be wondering about the reliability, availability, and security of those services as you move to a hybrid world and embrace an application platform as a service. Well, let's find out. First, let's take a look at how ServiceNow maintains a highly available and resilient global infrastructure. ServiceNow operates 16 data centers globally, made up of 8 mirrored pairs across 4 geographic regions. Our paired data centers enable us to provide built-in redundancy for our customers when issues arise or when performing planned maintenance. All servers and network devices have redundant components and multiple network paths to avoid single points of failure. ServiceNow employs a multi-instance architecture versus a multi-tenant model used by other providers. This provides each customer with a dedicated application and database set to ensure true enterprise-grade scalability and the availability of your application instances. Our multi-instance approach allows the ServiceNow platform to achieve 4 nines of average uptime. That's pretty important when you're running critical business applications on a cloud-based platform. But when you start considering other things, such as maintenance windows or planned downtime, you can see how that impacts your true uptime metrics. Multi-tenant approaches require maintenance in live production, which can increase downtime as much as 10 times compared to ServiceNow. We limit the time your system is down for planned maintenance because we can perform required maintenance on the downside in a mirrored instance. And when you add the potential for unplanned downtime due to something breaking, the true uptime of the service can be impacted even more. Multi-tenant approaches have to implement fix-and-place strategies when something breaks, which results in longer recovery time objectives. With ServiceNow, the user experience goes uninterrupted. We can move you over to a replicated instance where break-fix happens while users continue to work. Thus, your recovery time objectives are significantly shorter in our multi-instance model. ServiceNow allows you to use a non-production instance for developing and testing any changes, as well as custom applications. This enables you to control when and what changes are deployed to your production environment to minimize any service disruptions. Production application servers are also load balanced within each data center, and production database servers are replicated in near real time to a peer data center within your same geographic region. All customer production data is stored in both data centers and kept in sync using asynchronous database replication. In the event of a service disruption, customers are immediately redirected to a replicated database in an alternate data center. ServiceNow also allows customers to be in complete control of their instances by providing you with your own dedicated database and application set. This allows you to schedule upgrades right down to the second. A 24/7 Site Reliability Engineering Center is maintained with a follow-the-sun model, which provides continuous security, operational monitoring, and phone support of your ServiceNow environment and infrastructure. ServiceNow also offers a real-time availability dashboard that reflects everything that has impacted the usability of a customer instance. This is specific to each customer and unique to the ServiceNow platform. You have complete transparency into the true availability of your production and non-production instances, and you can view the impact severity and even drill into the incident record to view the details. Now, let's take a look at how the ServiceNow platform addresses security and compliance requirements that help keep your data safe and your instances up and running. With ServiceNow's application platform as a service, you can deliver your services with complete confidence in the security of your data. Our multi-instance model eliminates the potential for unauthorized data interactions and access by isolating customer data from other customer data with a dedicated database and application set. In addition, ServiceNow offers an optional sub-tenancy solution for organizations that need to keep data separate by subsidiary or separate lines of business domains. your ServiceNow instance is protected by an enhanced defense-in-depth framework of firewalls, load balancers, and intrusion detection systems. For programmatic interfaces, the REST API can be enabled to require authentication. ServiceNow uses SSL and transport layer security to secure all communications between servers and web browsers. And all browser connections, API connections, database actions, user-based activities, including UI actions and time in use, are all logged. User accounts utilize role-based access control lists to provide permissions to various data and services. We also offer multi-factor authentication, which requires a user to authenticate to the instance with their username and password, plus a time-based code. This feature is supported for local and LDAP users. ServiceNow's optional edge encryption proxy provides additional peace of mind by rendering your sensitive data unreadable by any unauthorized third party. Your data is encrypted and decrypted as it is sent to and from the ServiceNow data center through a proxy within your own data center. You see clear text of the data, while anyone not connecting through the proxy will only see ciphertext. You also retain full control of your own encryption keys used to encrypt the data sent to and stored in the ServiceNow Cloud Data Center, which not only allows you to secure your data, but also fully comply with various regulatory standards you may need to meet. And finally, when it comes to meeting your stringent compliance requirements, you can operate from a position of day one compliance on a platform that meets a wide range of regulations and governance standards. ServiceNow has implemented a holistic security program that conforms to the ISO 27001 standard requirements and has met the internal controls over finance reporting required by SOC 1 requirements. These certifications provide third-party attestation to the data center controls, security measures, and operational processes that provide physical security protection and facility support for the ServiceNow environment. Make IT the centerpiece for enabling your on-demand business by confidently delivering everything as a service at the speed of your business with the ServiceNow platform.